What's up, people? Welcome to part 4 of this weird game. At V-Ray, and that is called. Until then, yeah. I've got to say good beddy byes to my son. The screen is still all blurry, and I'm not happy about that. Excuse me, who's in there? Okay, let him cry for a little bit.
Good night, Sean.
My teddy! I haven't got my teddy, Dad.
You must have left it somewhere in the house. Do you have any idea where it could be?
No, Dad. Please, I can't sit without him.
All right, I'll have a look around and see if I can find it, okay? That's too bad, Sean. Time to sleep now.
Oh no, Dad. Please, I need my teddy.
All right, I'll have a look around and see if I can find it, okay?
What if I said no? And what happened?
Sean wants his teddy. Must have left it lying around here somewhere.
Yeah. So at first I thought I was a hanging dead body then. Oh, is that his little Ted?
Thanks, Dad.
Good night, Sean.
Night. Dad?
Yeah?
Why do you look so sad?
I think I just need some time to get back to the way things were.
You know, Dad, what happened to Jason wasn't your fault.
Good night, Sean.
He's asleep already. Is he asleep? What the hell? Sounds like he's raping someone. That's what she said. Oh, he's seeing someone else. What the hell? I knew this game was weird, but I didn't think it was that weird. What the hell was that in his hand? What the hell? Who is this weird person? A trophy? Another trophy? And 2 trophies at once. How nice. Am I him now? Do I have to control him? On the trailer it says you get to be a chick. Walks through the door. She is a bit chubby, isn't he?
Lauren Winter. Ring any bells?
No, can't say it does. Oh, that Lauren Winter. 3rd floor, last door on the left at the end of the corridor.
Duh, what other Lauren Winter will I be talking about? No, I don't know who this Lauren Winter is. I'm going upstairs. Which door did he say? The right door. He said right. No, he said left door. Okay. This one. Oh my god. No, he wants to find this girl. Okay, I'll leave them 2 in there to have their good time. Is it this one? If it's not this one, then I don't know.
Lauren Winter?
Sorry, I only declined by appointment.
Oh, it is her.
It's $50. I don't kiss and I don't do any weird shit.
Fine by me.
Yeah.
Put your money on the table. You got exactly 10 minutes when the alarm rings. It's over, okay?
Nice looking girl. But too young to be the sort of girl you find holed up in a dive like this.
You should take your clothes off. We ain't got all day.
Actually, I'm not a customer.
Shit, a cop. I should know. What do you want? A freebie? Is that it?
Oh god.
My name is Scott Shelby. I'm a private detective. The families of the victims of the Origami Killer asked me to investigate the murders. I came here just to ask you some questions about Johnny.
I already told the police all I know and I have nothing to add. Leave me alone.
Jeez.
The killer is walking around free as we speak. He'll kill again if he's not arrested.
Johnny's dead, so what difference does it make?
I understand, Lauren. I know what you're going through.
Oh yeah? Did you know what it feels like to find your own son's body on a wasteland? I'm sorry, I don't believe you have the slightest idea what I'm going through, Mr. Shelby.
I bought 10 minutes of your time, didn't I? All I ask is that you use that time to answer some questions.
You want to pay me to tell you about my son? Is that it? You can buy my body, Mr. Shelby, but my son is not for sale. Get out of here. Get the fuck out!
Well, if you remember anything, the smallest detail,
She's angry.
give me a call.
Start shit a bit. She's got a man's body. She has no tits. She has a man's body. Jeez, that made me jump. He's got asthma, I think. Just check now.
Lauren! Lauren, open up, baby.
Who the hell is that?
Wait, what are you doing here? I already told you I don't want to see you anymore.
Sorry, Dal, but I really wanted to see ya.
Oh. She sounds like she's in trouble.
What do you want, asshole?
Lauren,
Please.
is everything all right?
She's just swell. Now beat it, loser.
No, we heard the man. We've got to go now. I can't bear to him through the door. It's rude. She was rude to me. That's why she would do anything. She has a man's body as well. She's not even a proper girl. I'll see you in the next episode, guys. Please subscribe if you're new. Leave a comment. And yeah.